New Zealand spinach exists because regular spinach has limits. True spinach is delicate. It bolts in heat, turns bitter in summer, and demands cool conditions. New Zealand spinach does the opposite. It waits for warmth. It grows stronger under sun. It spreads when other greens give up. Despite its name, New Zealand spinach is not spinach at all. Botanically, it is tetragonia tetragonioides, a member of the fig marigold family, not the spinach family. The similarity lies in function, not lineage. This plant is native to coastal regions of New Zealand, Australia, and parts of South America. Indigenous communities used it long before European contact, harvesting its thick leaves as a reliable green source in harsh environments. When Captain James Cook reached New Zealand in the 18th century, his crew used New Zealand spinach to prevent scurvy. That single use secured its spread. Seeds traveled across continents, not for taste, but for survival. Structurally, New Zealand spinach is different. The leaves are triangular, fleshy, and slightly waxy. They store moisture. The stems creep outward, creating a low-growing mat rather than a vertical bunch. This growth habit is strategic. It protects the plant from wind, salt spray, and drought. It also makes it productive. One plant can supply leaves continuously over a long season. Flavor-wise, New Zealand spinach is mild and green, similar to spinach but less metallic. Raw, it can taste slightly saline due to its coastal origins. Cooked, it softens into a neutral, comforting green. Texture is where the difference becomes clear. Raw leaves are thick and slightly crunchy. Cooking breaks down their structure, releasing mucilage that creates a silky mouthfeel. This makes it excellent for soups, stews, and sautés. Unlike true spinach, New Zealand spinach does not collapse dramatically when cooked. It retains body. This makes it more forgiving in hot dishes and longer cooking times. Culinarily, it is used as a spinach substitute worldwide. It works in stir-fries, curries, pasta dishes, quiches, and fillings. In tropical and subtropical regions, it is often preferred because it grows year-round. It pairs well with garlic, onion, chili, coconut milk, soy sauce, lemon, and simple fats. It does not demand complexity. It supports it. Nutritionally, New Zealand spinach is solid rather than flashy. It provides vitamins A and C, calcium, iron, potassium, and dietary fiber. It also contains antioxidants and plant compounds that support general health. Like spinach, it contains oxalates. Cooking reduces their impact. This is why it is traditionally eaten cooked rather than raw. Digestibility improves significantly with heat. Light boiling or sauté unlocks nutrients and improves texture. From an agricultural perspective, New Zealand spinach is extremely valuable. It tolerates poor soils, drought, salinity, and heat. It spreads easily and requires minimal care. It is often grown in home gardens because it keeps producing as long as it is harvested. Cut and come again by design. Its resilience makes it a climate-adaptive crop. As temperatures rise globally, greens like New Zealand spinach become increasingly relevant. Visually, it is humble. Matte green leaves, irregular shapes, sprawling growth. It does not look ornamental. It looks functional. This honesty reflects its role. New Zealand spinach is not luxury food. It is reliable food. The biggest mistake with New Zealand spinach is treating it exactly like spinach. It needs slightly longer cooking and benefits from seasoning that accounts for its thickness. Another mistake is ignoring it entirely. Many cooks overlook it because it lacks branding power. That is exactly why it matters. New Zealand spinach represents a different food logic. Grow what survives. Eat what adapts. Value what lasts. It does not replace spinach because it is better. It replaces spinach because it shows up when spinach cannot.